what the hell is up with the saying, it is what it is? Because I actually have no clue what it is that it is. Because is it? I truly feel like there's no other store quite like Dollar Tree, like a retail store where you can go in every other day and find something new. So anyways, I digress. Not sponsored. It sounds sponsored, but it's not. But that's how much I love this store. It should be sponsored. But that's a whole different story. Let's get into the haul though. So most of you know that I moved from Florida back to Texas, my home state, and we're in a temporary home right now. This is an Airbnb. And so I'm having to like get some things like cleaning supplies. So I picked up these Scrub Buddies. This is where Dollar Tree honestly just shines for $1.25 because you get several quantities, you know, bang for your buck essentially. And if you know me, you watch either here on my vlogs. You've probably have never seen me buy sponges anywhere else because I don't. Dollar Tree. So I love these. They also have them in a flip of different colors like blue and green, I think. But I got the yellow and the pink. As far as other cleaning supplies go, I also picked up the Fabuloso in the lemon scent. Beware though, Dollar Tree will give you different sizes, but they're all gonna be the same price unless you're shopping in the bonus section. So, but this large one was also $1.25. So obviously this is a better bang for my buck because I'm getting more product in here. This is one of my favorite items to use to actually pour into the toilet. This is what I usually do with Fabuloso. After I clean, give a good deep bleach clean in like the toilets in the bathroom, I then will fill up either the sink or the toilet with a splash of this just to kind of wash away the more bleachy chemical smells. So that's what I do with that. I also want to get to a point where I'm mopping my floors with Fabuloso. I just haven't really been doing that because I'm too lazy personally, and I'd rather just steam mop, but there it is. I also picked up one of these. This is just the toilet brush. It's pretty, you know, it's flimsy, it's whatever, but it works. It does the job. So I got one of these to keep in the bathroom. I also picked up a pack of these sterile like gloves. You get 6 in here. They're just like multi-purpose. So I thought I would go for these instead of the bigger, bulkier gloves. And then I also got these sponges. So these are the sponges that I actually use for my kitchen sink. And then these sponges I use as a cleaning sponge for like countertops, bathrooms and stuff, and I try to like color code them. This is pretty random, but I found this vase. I think that's what Dollar Tree, it's a candle holder. My bad. This is a candle holder. I don't understand how it's a candle holder. When I first looked at it, I thought they were trying to do some like ice cream cone kind of thing with it. And I picked it up to tell you guys that I think this is a no product for me. I want to start introducing like at least one item into my hauls that I want to tell you guys personally what I wouldn't recommend picking up for $1.25. It just is not made very well. However, I mean, the price is there. So if you have to do something in a mass quantity, like a centerpiece, maybe you could spray paint this a color for yourself if you don't like the gold. But like, look at this. There's lots of dents. It's crooked. Yeah, it's just not made well. So personally, this is a no for me. I have no clue why this is the item that ended up in my cart, but if you watch all of my Dollar Tree hauls back in Florida, you would have seen where I found all of the NFL stuff, but for the Miami Dolphins. So that's what I found in Florida, makes sense. And then I came back to Texas and I found the Dallas Cowboys. So I'm just curious, comment down below and let me know if you're in a different state and if you're finding your home team's stuff. I will say I'm obviously in the Dallas Metroplex, so for all of my Houston Texans out there, comment and also let me know if you're finding Texans stuff in your location. Now, here are some items where I think it's definitely worthy for me to bring them to your attention. However, I don't personally like it myself, if that makes sense. I don't just show what I like from Dollar Tree. I show what I think is 1, new, and 2, great for $1.25. This is a prime example of that. If you're wondering, well, what do I do with stuff that I don't like? It gets donated. So I found succulent magnets. I've just never been a fan of succulents, but like if you are, I think this would also be really cute for college. If you've got, you know, I could definitely see this for girls for sure, like having these cute little succulents. I mean, these are just little magnets. This one fell out of its little packaging, but there's the magnet. So these are new. Obviously, I'm going to donate these, but I want you guys to know I found this recently at Dollar Tree. Next up are these little caddies. Now, Dollar Tree has been selling caddies for as long as I can remember, but you always have to watch out and see what they do that's new. These right here are definitely new. They're smaller than some of the ones that are available at Dollar Tree, but I think these are just like, they're just going to be great for teachers. And just know, the reason why I point this out, I know school's over, however, these are out right now, and you just never know where these items are gonna be in August or September when school starts. So just sometimes when shopping at Dollar Tree, the best advice I can give is to think ahead. Because you just can't rely on something to be there next month, let alone next week. Like sometimes that's just how the store goes. I know these are like kind of stuck in here, and I'm not trying to break a nail today. I'm not. It's too painful. I'm not used to nails. There we go. So this is the Storage Essentials brand, which is from Dollar Tree, so that's really exciting. And we've got I picked every color that I found. So there's that. These also are gonna be really cute too for a 4th of July. So maybe you wanna put, you know, maybe you have a lake house, or you go to a lake house, or you go to an Airbnb kind of thing. This would be cute to put your napkins and your utensils, you know, and stuff like that, like condiments. I don't know. That could be really cute for a 4th of July. So let's stay on the 4th of July train right now. I want to show you guys that I also picked up these 12 tinsel food picks. I feel like this is new. Look at them. Like, how cute is that? They are for food, so this is what the bottom looks like. So you can stick this in cakes. Obviously, they have it on cupcakes, but you could also use this from a decorating perspective. You could probably style this somehow in a tier tray. So I'm gonna throw that out there. I don't remember these from last year, so this could be a brand new 2023 patriotic thing, okay? Then I found this. I just thought it was so cute. You get 2 DIY sun catchers. Now we see sun catchers at Dollar Tree all the time, but I got this because I feel like this is the first time we're seeing it from a patriotic label. So that feels very new to me. You get the red, white, and blue. This center one, there's something in the center one. I don't know if it's like glitter or what. Maybe the center one is like a base. I don't really know, but like this could be great to keep the kids entertained. That's what I see when I see that. Then I picked up the metallic streamers. So I got red. Obviously this is more of a silver, and then here is the blue. I think these metallic streamers are so amazing. I love getting different material from Dollar Tree. Obviously you can style this in an entryway, in your wreaths. There's so much you can do with these for the 4th of July. I'm probably gonna use mine for junk journaling. So I'm gonna throw that out there. I think that's about it for 4th of July. Next up, I picked up these amazing ice packs. I love when Dollar Tree just does this. I really do. So we've got a little watermelon, an orange, and a lemon. I don't really know what the purpose of this is. If you know, comment and let me know. Like what, I don't really know. There's gotta be some reason behind this, but if you're gonna go on a picnic or something, you know, you've got these cute little ice packs. So I found those. All right, next up, I've never seen this happen before at Dollar Tree, so this is definitely a first ever. Where they put out journals, that's not a first. Okay, what is a first is that they provided the matching makeup bags. I've never seen that done. So with this one, I feel like, okay, so these two match. You can see that right there. Here is the cute little notebook, just to show you guys what it looks like on the inside. I love the spiral bound, and then I love the orange detail. The orange zipper, so nice. It's Dollar Tree. You're usually not gonna get it lined on the inside. That's probably where they cut corners and save cost. So these two match. And then I feel like these two, yeah, go together. Gorgeous. This is gorgeous, honestly. Like this one, I wanna go buy multiples of these and kind of use them for, I don't know. I was gonna say traveling, but like, you know, I'm home. But like, look how cute. This one actually has words on it. Live life in full bloom. So pretty. What? And I looked, there is a chance that your Dollar Tree may have more to this collection. I feel like it doesn't make sense to just make two things match. Usually they do things in like 4s. So I'm wondering if there's anything else that's supposed to match this, like a pen set or like a little compact mirror, something like that. I don't know. This is what I personally found at my Dollar Tree. Now, this is the one where I don't think this is the match. So it's kind of telling me that I'm missing a journal and then I'm missing the makeup bag to this, because all of these were together. So pretty, but I really like this one. This one's giving me 70s vibes, and I don't know why, but it makes me want to watch the Brady Bunch. And then notice that it's got the little orange. So pretty. Love that. Okay, then I found some very interesting candy, and it's so cute. They're like a they're a squeeze candy. I mean, I look at it and I want to immediately brush my teeth, but like there it is. They're called Slurpers. I don't really know. So this one is a blue berry. I'm just trying to say it like it's spelled. Blueberry. I don't freaking know. We got green apple. And then this one is strawberry. Okay. All right, next up, I found this pre-tan exfoliator. I just love this store because I love finding random stuff like this. So they're obviously marketing to the fact that you want to exfoliate before you do your self-tan or your pre-tan or like whatever. I don't do that, but I still feel like anyone could use a good exfoliator. This is a coconut colada. So I'm very excited to try this out. My scent on myself has to be vanilla or coconut in some format. So I'm gonna try that out. Now this left me probably the most shook in this past month of finding stuff at Dollar Tree. These headbands. Now, if you're not watching TikTok or you're not watching, I don't really know, but I see everyone with these freaking headbands. Now, the Dollar Tree ones, these are Dollar Tree brand. They're on a smaller scale. The ones that I think the women are buying on Amazon, they are thicker. They're like double this size. This little fluffy part is like this thick. And they do it to put on their makeup. And I see it in every video. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. So they throw their hair back, and everyone seems to have these freaking trendy headbands. And now Dollar Tree's trying to do it. And that's what tells me too that Dollar Tree watches trends. And they're trying to compete. They're trying to be in the moment, you know? They're not just throwing out a bunch of random stuff. So I found it in black and pink, and I'm telling you, run to Dollar Tree for these. They're super soft. They're a dupe. They're a dupe to the ones I see everyone wear. And I bet you those are not $1.25. Now, if you watched my previous haul, I showed in that bag, so I did a shop with me, and this is actually from that one store. I actually have another set of bags that's gonna be Saturday's video, so tomorrow's video is gonna be another Dollar Tree haul. So all of this was that one jackpot from that shop with me. I'll link it down below. You can watch me go throughout the store. And then after that, I got in my car and did a car haul. I was like, you know what? Let me grab one bag out of this whole jackpot and just show you guys what I got. So this is from that one bag, but I didn't pre-sort through the bag. So this was in this assortment. So cotton candy and pink lemonade. They are like the dupe to the EOS lip balm. I already tried the pink one out on camera, but since it's already open, I'll go ahead and show you guys. It's very creamy. What's interesting is it has a plastic fake, you know, Avon for the little kids makeup look, but no, it's really good. I feel like yeah, it's there for me personally. How it wears, how moisturizing, I don't know. I'm not a makeup professional, okay? I can't tell you that, but like, I like how it tastes and I like how it feels. That's what I can tell you. I do feel like though that I need to try the cotton candy and tell you guys if I think there's cotton candy there. But now I got pink lemonade and I can definitely taste the pink lemonade. So these are so cute. Oh yeah, I'm smelling cotton candy. Okay, that's my favorite of the two. The cotton candy is my favorite of the two. So I'm definitely gonna be throwing this in my bum bag. Okay, so we've got that. And actually, that's pretty much the haul because I did pull that same bag, but you guys have already seen these items from that car haul. But in case you didn't, I'm just gonna rotate through these pretty quickly. This is just like an iron-on sheet. I had to get some scissors for the house. Also got the patriotic thank you cards. Found these little patches, which are so cute. You can do so much with those. Then we've got these little picture frames. Adorable. These are privacy pouches. I guess, you know, you could put like feminine products and stuff in here. That's how they are geared. But they don't say anything on it, so you can just use it for whatever you want, for organizing whatever. These wheat barrel pens, still no clue what wheat has to do with ink. I got this sheet, so pretty, and yeah, I want you guys to actually see this in person. The camera is not doing it any justice whatsoever, okay? We've got these really fun, cute little stickers. And then in the teaching tree, I found these blank notebooks. You get 4-pack in here, which is amazing. Again, how it should be done, anything with teaching tree, there should be multiple quantities of, because you're obviously trying to buy for students and for your classroom. And these are just blank though. So, blank little notebooks. So we've got those. And then these adorable little baby chicks and the eggs. These are candles. And then I got the mask. I think I had, where's the sprinkles one? Oh, here's 2 masks. By this line, Be Pure, which has been relatively new to Dollar Tree in the last 6-ish months or so. This Be Pure line, or at least for me, that's the timeline I'm thinking. And it's been here, and they've been turning out new products, so be on the lookout because they're so good. And then I also got these little like sanitizing spray pens, which are so cute. So anyways, that's it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below your shopping list, what from today's video you want to be on the lookout for. This right here, I'm telling you, is probably gonna fly off the shelves immediately. And like I mentioned, this is a no. I don't see it. I don't see the value. I mean, it is $1.25, but like even then, I'd pay 10 cents for it. And even then, it's all, I don't know. There we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.